Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome my dear friends. In this video we are going to talk about who boys and girl live leaving his home and studying for another state. I would like to say my dear friends, if you want to do something better in your life, if you want to gain something better, then you have to need, first of all you have to need focus at yourself if you want to do something better. My dear friends, in this video we are going to talk about at this topic who is leave his home and going to study for another state, for another city. My dear friends, if you are a student, if you are going to preparation, if you are going to study, if you want to do engineering, if you want to do medical science study, my dear friends, I would like to say you can achieve your degree and you can do. I know that at this talk, but have you think about your family? Have you think about your parents? Have you think about your brother and sister? My dear friends, boys and girl, this video is totally dependent to you and you must watch clearly, because also I am live student of engineering and I face that situation and I have lot of recognize and I have lot of experience in this field. My dear friends, if you are student of class 10th, 11th, 12th, you must watch this video because it is the most important part to you. But this video is totally depend in English. This video is totally in English. I hope if you want to gain better in your life, you would focus at yourself. I always say to you, my dear friends, my dear elder brother and elder sister, you must focus now at yourself. You would not distract of people, because when I study, I am telling story of about myself. When I study, how our age, only I am 22 or 23 years old, and I am telling a story of myself, my dear friends, to you. My dear, when I study 2019 2019 to 2013 which working जो चल रहा है. My dear friends, our parents only, because I am living in hostel and I am cooking food own self also and I study, and my parents are sending money for me only 3 or 35 or 4,000 35, so yani 3,500. My dear friends, only they send per month. If you student, if you are studying nowadays, you must think deeply about yourself, my dear friends, how much your parents, your family member are sending money for to you. You must recognize, and where are you spending your money. My dear friends, only 3,000 or 4,000 money I am manage own self, because 1 month only be taken vegetable, 1 month 1,000 in 1,000 taken 1 month vegetable, 1,000 given to room rent and 1,000 each I have 1,000 I am taken of my copy, pen and recharge of my phone. I hope you know that at this talk. Everyone face this situation, my dear friends. If your family are giving to you freedom to you, you must not forget that work and you must not put up extra beneficial in your life. What become, do you know at this talk, when student, boys or girl going for study, do you know what they do? I hope if you don't know, I would told you in this video. They are making they are destroying his future, because they get, I am saying already in this video starting, they are already gain his degree, but what they do, what they do, I know that at this talk, because I am giving lecture to you, you are thinking as why. My dear friends, lot of students are destroying his future behind of girl, and lot of girl destroying his future behind of boys. I have watched it. My dear friends, you develop in yourself how much efficient you go to success in your life. Not you have to depend of another people. I always say to you of my video, my dear friends and my dear brother and sister, you must focus now at yourself, and if you want to gain better in your life, because dear student and dear boys and girl taken year of city, जिन लोगों का हवा लगता है शहर का, that situation and direction, ambition and goal, everything is change, everything is change, सब कुछ बदल जाता है, क्योंकि you must know that when weather impact of air, he change his motion, he change his weather. ऐसे ही लाइफ है मेरे दोस्त, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू मस्ट नो डेट, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू नॉट मेक दिस वीडियो lot of further, but I am telling to you, you focus now at yourself. Now you focus at yourself. If you are doing study of medical, if you are doing of engineering, if you are preparation any whole field, you must focus now at yourself if you want to gain better in your life. And I always say to you, I am a student, I am a learner, and also I am study of class 11th and 12th student, PCM no, physics math and English. My dear friends, also I am a learner and I am providing to you better opportunity. If you want to speak English, if you want to speak fluently between of people, how you can speak? Because this question you can see at this blackboard, it is JEE Advanced 2015 question. I have solved it. And my dear friends, who is student of class 11th and 12th, I would like to say, my dear friends, if I am solve this question and keeping front to you, you would not get tell me where value are coming here, because it is so tough question. So we are talking about of the distracting people, and we are talking ambition. My dear friends, what am I watching? Our village people, our village means our areas people, girl boys are going to study, they are taken 10 12 15,000 per month. What they do this money, वो लोग इतने पैसों को करते क्या है? I don't know that at this time. But my dear friends, only I completed only 3 or 4,000 per month. I have completed our engineering. Our parents are feeling mountain, पहाड़ समझते थे, only 2 or 3 or 4,000 given to me. Our study, जो मैं I am not wasting, जो मैं फिजूल के खर्चे भी नहीं करता था. Only I am giving room rent of honor, and also I am taken vegetable 1 month. And because when you are study, you are living, taken room, you are cooking food, because you have to need gas. How you have to fill gas, how you have to taken vegetable, how you have to taken oil, lot of because I have faced, my dear friends. So I am saying that student this video, that girl, that boys who is study out his home, but they are wasting his money, because if your parents, your family member are giving freedom to you, you must not put up beneficial, you must not put up extra beneficial in your life. ओयो बुक हो रहा है. What is becoming, because it is not, it is our and your. What is simple talk, but it is not everyone know that who is living in city, my dear friends. And village के लोग तो अभी जानते ही नहीं होंगे ओयो होता क्या है. What is be, because it is a serious matter for everyone people, because if they are giving to you freedom, you must do as work where your family member, your parents and your brother and your sister had put up of pride to you, गर्व से ऊंचा उठ जाए ऐसा कार्य करो. And who are you doing, running behind of people, he do lot of people, my dear friends. I always say to you, you have to focus at yourself if you want to gain better in your life. If you are thinking, if you want to do something better, you focus now at yourself, because nowadays what am I watching? I am watching who I am saying to you. Freedom, they are taking freedom. कहते हैं लड़कियों को फ्रीडम नहीं देते. फ्रीडम दे दो तो वो एक्स्ट्रा माइंड लगा के एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिशियल उठा रही है. फ्रीडम होता क्या है? एक भरोसा, बिलीविंग, बिलीव. बट नॉट एवरीवन इज एज आई नो डेट एट दिस टाक, बट lot of people will be as. So if you are taken at your heart, you must not taken at your heart, because you have to need focus for your ambition. You have to need know work at yourself. Everyone know that who I am saying to you, what they do, what they are working. So if you want to gain better response in your life, you focus now at yourself, my dear friends, and I hope you will succeed one day in your life. If you are giving time honestly for your ambition, you must not forget at this talk what they are thinking, what they are doing, leaving everyone. Only focus, only zooming at yourself and focusing at yourself. If you want to do better in your life, I always say to you, I do not want to make long video, but when I am speaking, it to be also ये हो जाता है. My dear friends, my brother and also sister, if you want to do something better in your life, you focus now at yourself, not people. I am always say to you, nowadays you are focusing them, they focus of another people. If he want gain better, so focus now at yourself and do work hard in your life, because without ambition you are nothing, and without achievement you are nothing in your life. And there is no one know that about to you. People would not focus at to you till that you would not focus at to you. People would not focus at to you till that you would not focus at to you. जब तक आप अपने आप पर फोकस नहीं करेंगे, लोग आप पर फोकस नहीं करेंगे. सो जो लोग मेहनत करके अपने आप को तराशते हैं, दुनिया उन्हें तलाशती है. यू मस्ट नो डैट एट दिस टाइम, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. If you want to gain better in your life, if you want to do better in your life, you focus now and you can do everything. You must not forget at this time, because this video is every student, every boy and girl, and also all respected parents and respected member of his family. My dear friends and my respected parents and my dear respected parents, You must know that about your children, what they are doing. If you are giving money, so someone are saying that you are doubting him, you are giving money study for your children. You must know that, and it is your responsibility, it is your full responsibility. You would know that what they are doing and how they are studying. If you want to make better your children's future, you focus now at yourself and focus now about your children, what they are doing. You focus. I have watched, if you are belong as my family, you can go and you can watch of my video. Also I you can watch of my video in my history. Also I am belong as your family, my dear friends, as your family. I know that in which situation I have faced. Today I am getting speak front to you. Why? Because I am working at myself. I know that if we will focus at myself, lot of people would focus at myself. And I always show you, I always say to you, my dear friends, you can do better in your life. There is nothing too impossible in your life. You must not little your heart. दिल छोटा करने से कुछ नहीं होता मेरे दोस्त. If you are failing one time, two time, but if you are giving time, continue for your ambition, I think that there is no one stop to you who success to you in your life. You must not forget at this time. I hope you can gain better response, and I would not increase this video lot of us. So thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. लव यू.